Hi, Ali from Talent for Performance here. Does your team know where they're headed? A clear vision provides focus and direction, but what happens when things don't go to plan? That's where agility comes in, helping you pivot without derailing your goals. At T4P, we believe leadership success comes from balancing vision with adaptability. This combination inspires confidence, keeps teams motivated, and drives results, even in uncertain times. Why not join us on the 29th of January for our interactive workshop, Lead with Certainty, Inspiring Confidence, Empowering Change. In just 45 minutes, we'll share neuroscience-backed strategies to help you align your team with a clear, compelling vision and adapt quickly to challenges without losing momentum. Spaces are limited, so register today and start 2025 with clarity and confidence. I look forward to seeing you there.